Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make this crispy and fluffy pumpkin fritters. Everybody will love this sweet, crispy fried balls. Let's see how to make it. Here I have a pumpkin. I'm just taking half of that. Cut it into cubes, steam it, and once it is nicely cooked, take that into a bowl and mash it using a fork, or you can run this in a blender. So here I've taken around 1 cup of this pumpkin puree. Into that add in some powdered sugar. I added just half a cup, but you can add more or less according to your choice. Then some cinnamon powder, cardamom powder and some baking soda. Mix everything really well. Then add in some flour. You can add either wheat flour or all-purpose flour. Add it little by little and make the pumpkin dough for the fritters. So when you take the dough and put, it should drop like dollops. Now heat some oil. The temperature of the oil is really important. So take small portion of the dough and drop it first, and if it starts floating on top of the oil, then you can start frying your fritters. As you can see, when I drop each dollops of dough, first it sinks down and slowly it floats up. While frying, these fritters gets nicely puffed up, which makes it crispy outside and soft inside. So keep the heat of the oil medium so that it will nicely get cooked inside as well. And once it changes its color to this nice golden shade, take it out from oil. Likewise, fry all the fritters. Now this step is optional. Here I'm planning to coat this fritters with some cinnamon sugar. So I mixed some powdered sugar and cinnamon powder and take all the fritters into a large bowl. Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar on top and slowly toss it. So here all the fritters got a nice coating of cinnamon sugar. So here it is, our nice crispy and fluffy pumpkin fritters are ready. Everyone will love this, easy and simple snack to make. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.